doubt about you? How were you able to overcome such a very colourful lifestyle? Some of you may have had a past whereby it wasn't stable. Maybe you used to party a lot, overindulge a lot, and then you turn your life around. You shut people out, and you made your life better. And some of these people from the past want to understand, how did you do it? How did you overcome such darkness? Because for some of you, these people are still in the same situation that you left them in. They don't understand why you don't communicate with them anymore. They want to know where you are, what you're doing now, if you've married somebody or if you've got children. For some of you, many people want to find this out about your love life. They want to know if you are single, why you do not find them attractive. Do you not find them attractive because you are in a relationship? They feel like they've thrown so much smegdual energy at you and you didn't catch it. What's the problem? They're not even thinking to themselves that you possibly may not find them to be your type. It's almost like they're thinking, of course you're going to like me. You know, this is the type of energy. Say you're a male. They feel like every male is weak. Say you're a female. They feel like every female is going to be smitten by them because of the motorbike that they drive, the lavish lifestyle that they live. Yeah, this person's got a certain type of spark, but it doesn't do anything for you. And they don't get it. So they're wondering why you turned them down. Why you never took them up on their offer when they were literally offering it on a plate. Some of you've blocked this individual because you find them to be toxic, and you could be tapping deeper into your spirituality. Hence why you're listening to this video. But they're not an energetic match. You find them to be very depleting. You find them to be very depressing as well. And you don't want no parts. Maybe some of you realized that when you were around this person, things were going quite bad for you. Some people want to find out why you don't post on social media. How come they can't find you on social media? Why are you closed off? Some of you deactivated your account. Some of you just don't post any pictures because you're living your best life. And many people may feel as if, is it because you're going through a dark night of the soul? Are you in some type of depression? And it simply could mean that you're busy, or you just don't want certain people to know your business. You may go out a lot, but you choose not to post. People want to find out if you are working. How do you make your money? What do you do for work? Are you married? Have you got a spouse that's supporting you? People want to know, how are you able to look good whilst on a small wage? So there could be someone or some people that know what type of job you are in and they know how much that job pays, but yet you look better than them. and they make maybe double or twice the amount than you do, double, twice the same, or triple the amount than you do. And they're proper studying you all up in their head. You know, they're thinking they don't have a partner, they don't make that much money. So how come they look like a star? How come they got so much confidence? How come people treat them with respect? You see, this is the type of energy that feels like your worth comes from how much money you have in the bank. Yeah, they may have more than you, but they don't have your star quality, darling. With the essence that you possess, you literally can't go down to the supermarket or to the mall and buy it. It's innate. You inherited it. You come from a line of kings and queens. They will never be able to understand it. Your energy signature is potent, magnetic, regal. So regardless of whatever role you are in, it does not determine your worth. And this is what this person or these people need to understand. Because they feel like, oh, but I make more money than them, or I drive a better car than them. They haven't got a car. I've got a car. They're just driving themselves bonkers. Meanwhile, you're winning. Many people, especially this person, whoever they are, they want to find out what makes you so popular. Why do people gravitate towards you? Some of you could be on social media. Some of you could, be in the public eye. You could be quite popular amongst your peers at work, in your community. And this person sees you as an influencer. How are you able to influence the masses? They're proper trying to study you. Maybe they're trying to analyze your personality to mimic it. Maybe they're trying to work you out to compare you to some celebrity, or they see you as a celebrity. So that's the thing. Why is that person seen as a celebrity? What is it about them? They're fascinated by you. They're a fan, darling. That's what they are. They are fixated. They are understudy. They don't want to think about you, but they do, because you're unforgettable. Some people want to find out, how come you're so powerful? Like, you've got this ferocious, ineffable with energy. It's, powerful, and you come across like a warrior. Many people don't want to get on the bad side of you, because they feel like you've got some next level protection, and it's not in the physical. So many people want to find out about, how did you get this spiritual protection, or how did you get this knowledge, how did you get this master's, this, how did you get into this corporate environment, how did you get this role, what did you have to do, what course did you have to do, did you date someone to get into this circle, how did you get all this wisdom? Some of you do have a lot of friends that support you and have your back. And many people want to know, where did you know these people from? Did you grow up with these people? Are you dating one of these people? Or many people just assume that you've got a lot of backup in the physical and in the spiritual, and you have this no nonsense way about you. Some people want to understand why you've come to be this way. Did you have a rough past? For some of you, many people want to know, how did you go from being, say, a road girl or a road guy, i.e. you used to get into a lot of fights, etc., but you turn your life around, you turn your life to God, or some of you got baptized or something of that sort. Like, what helped you with this transition? Or for some of you, people want to understand why you fled the church and decided to become an activist or decided to go into martial arts. They can't grasp the correlation. People are wondering and they want to know, how come you're so strong? Like, some of you could be very slim or you could be thick. But this woman is very slim. She looks like a model. But you're very strong. Like, people could be looking at you in the gym and thinking, how do they lift those weights? Some of you could actually be martial artists. That could be a job that you do and you make your money from. That could tie into this. Some of you could make your money from martial arts. You actually get paid, but you don't talk about your job. So people can just assume, oh, you don't work. But yet they've got money. You know, by the clothes that you wear or the gadgets that you have, the phone that you have, the car that you drive, or you got, you know, some of you don't drive. You may have like different trainers or different skateboards and you just got like very eye-catching gear. So people just feel like, okay, I don't see them leaving the house at the same time every day. So they mustn't have a job, but where are they getting their money from? Or I know they go to college, they're at college, but how come they got all these nice things? Like, where are they getting their money from? People are all up in your pockets wanting to know where you get your money from. People want to know how come they are unable to outsmart you. They're wondering how come every time they try to outsmart you, there's some type of tower moment that happens in their life. People want to know how come you're protected, because people do feel like you are protected, and some people are actually scared of you because they feel like if they trouble you, bad things are going to happen. And these people have faced karma for doing bad to you. And some people want to understand why, yeah, their life, their career, their projects hasn't taken off, and they're linking it back to you. But they can't remember what bad thing they did to you, because these people done a lot of bad things to you behind your back, but they can't pinpoint which exact bad thing they did to make them have this tower moment that they are experiencing, or that they did experience, because it was very catastrophic. So some of these people may want to stay away from you, and many people, you know, they're thinking, you know what, it's best I just leave this person alone. People want to understand how come you are so successful. They did not see it coming. They may feel like you're very sneaky, or you have a certain talent and skill that you brought to the forefront, and people are thinking, I forgot they could do that, or I didn't know they can do that. You know, you are seen in a highlight. I'm hearing you're smashing your goals. I'm very proud of you, but you're smashing your goals, or you are on your way to achievement. Some of you are very well established in whatever field you are in, and you're making serious money. And many people want to understand, how did you get to this position? Did you flirt with a boss? Did you do this? And it's like, really? Some of you are bosses now, and many people want to know, how did you do it? Because you are self-made. Meanwhile, they're still struggling, especially these people that try to destroy you. Yeah. Many people, or some people, want to understand, how did you outsmart their schemes and still become successful? This could be like gatekeepers in a certain industry that you are in, who tried to stop and block you and didn't want you to succeed in your chosen field. They tried to gatekeep opportunities from you. And if you're not there now, you're on your way, and you're being recognized for your skills and talents. You're gaining medals, certificates, trophies. You know, a lot of higher ups have high hopes for you. They see you as the future of a company or of a sport. And some of you are running your own company. And some people are trying to understand, should they copy the same formula? What higher up should they talk to? Will they get the same opportunity? People want to understand, how come you have a lot of stamina? How come you're a hard worker? because they do half of what you do and they're tired and drained. People want to understand also, how come you're so popular, especially if they've tried to socially isolate you. And people also want to understand, when did you actually get into this relationship? People thought you were single. Maybe someone saw you out and about with someone, and people are like, but wait, I didn't even know they were dating. I didn't even know them two were a thing. So you got people all up in your energy. So remember to detach from these individuals, pray, cleanse, and keep focused on you. They seem to be focused on you too. But yeah, stay in your own lane, keep focusing on you, keep becoming the better version of you, and keep winning and keep shining. I'll speak to you soon. Peace out. Oh, I forgot to tell you the signs that who are obsessed or just want to know. I need to know. Okay, could be a Sag, could be a Taurus, could be a Virgo, could be a Virgo, could be a Leo, could be a Taurus, could be a Cancer or Pisces, could be an Aries, could be another Aries, could be a Capricorn, another Capricorn, and an Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith. You know, with these types of situations, it's interesting, but the best thing to do is just keep doing you. Stay in your own lane, focus on yourself, because this reading is showing that these people are not focusing on themselves. They're too busy watching you, and if they put that energy into their own life, maybe they would achieve so much more than what they are achieving already.